Alright, farm vlog day 2. I'm gonna cut down some trees today. Just gonna grab my snips for clearing the brush around the bottom of the trees. Head out to the forest. Alright, got all my stuff here. Helmet, snippers, gloves. Go grab the truck, head down to the forest. Got roped into feeding the cattle before heading out to cut wood. Alright, so this is the first tree we're going to drag out of here with the tractor. She's a biggie. You can go down and chop it off by the stump. Alright, chopped out the bottom section there. And Scott should arrive shortly with the tractor. We're going to try and drag this guy out of here. Alright, so we got all the trees out of the woods. Pretty impressed with that little tractor. It was hauling some big trees out. So that's it for today. Farm vlog number 2. And calling it a day, going to look at a truck. So see you later in episode 3. Thanks for watching. Farm vlog.